Is weight loss possible without Ozempic? That's the question everybody's asking. To be honest, I've asked myself that question recently. If you know anything about my journey, you know that I tried semaglutide, which is the same thing as Ozempic, and you know the side effects that I had with it. I have considered going back to the shots. And so I know if I feel the pressure, you probably do too. I want the shortcut too. Like, why do I gotta fight to be and look how I wanna look? Why is it so hard, Lord? But I'm choosing something different. You've seen me lose weight through transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle, through running, through the discipline of fasting. But the discipline is so intense sometimes. That's when I think about going back to the shot so that I can reach my goal a lot quicker. Truth be told, I'm watching people that it's working for, multiple people, and I'm like, but every time I come to that point, I think about all the people, my mama, that I've seen not conquer or overcome in this area. Truth be told, I could get the pills, I could get the shot, I could lose the weight, I could deal with the side effects because they weren't horrible. But after I lose the weight, after I get to the goal, I don't know what could happen. What I know for sure is I will not have conquered what my mama didn't conquer. I have to be the bloodline breaker. It's always harder for the bloodline breaker because you're breaking it for everybody that's coming after you. Now let's transition to fasting. Fasting works. To be quite honest, fasting is the only thing that really helped me see the results. The only thing with fasting is you can't fast forever. Like at some point, you still have to develop the discipline to figure out what foods I can and can't have, how much of it I can and can't have. And you know what I realized? When I transitioned to a plant-based diet, I just transitioned to plant-based snacks and, you know, the healthy alternative. I still did not break my addiction to sugar. I let go of the dairy, so I don't have dairy anymore for the most part. Dairy has been out of my diet for like a year now. But it's that addiction to sugar. When you think about diabetes, when you think about all of these, you know, heart disease and all of that, it's basically from too much sugar. Although the fasting works oh so well and so fast. I love not only that it works, but it works so fast. The only downside to fasting is it's really difficult. Takes a lot of discipline. It really does. But I think if you can fast, and I've done 7 days, if you can water fast, then you can definitely develop discipline in other areas. I'm transitioning from what I know works very well to losing weight while eating, which is scary because I've always been a good dieter. I think that what I'm figuring out is it wasn't that I didn't have an issue during the work, is that I always would go back to the dairy and the sugar. So for this summer, I've got a new goal. The goal is to lose 45 pounds by July, to do it by not water fasting. That's such a struggle because, man, if I know I need to lose weight, I'll just fast. Committing to the 30 minutes of dancing every day. I'm going to stick to my plant-based meals while incorporating seafood, so basically pescatarian, having a plant-based protein shake every morning. Now, I am not going to eat after 6. Technically, it's intermittent fasting, but it's not water fasting. I'm going to plan my meals and my snacks every day. I don't want to count calories, but I'll let you know in the next video if I decide to. So that's it. If you've ever felt that inner tug to just give in and to go back to what works, you're not alone. We're both out here walking on the water, trying to figure out this health thing, this life of fitness. We got this. We can do it. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. If you're ready to tackle those habits and break those generational curses and you don't want to do it alone, join me. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to comment below if you've ever felt the pull to shortcuts like the shot. Tell me about that experience. And if you are on the shot, this is not a dig at you at all. Like, I was on the shot too. All right, so in my next video, I'm going to talk to y'all about what I've been eating, how I've been planning my days, how the dancing has been going and all of that. I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have the most amazing day. God bless you and Jesus loves you.